Good morning all of you. Welcome in computer science class. In today's class we are going to discuss all the DDL and DML class practically. So let us begin with first DDL command, that is create. For it we have to write create table. Name of the table is EMP. So I am going to define a table with name EMP. In this table I am going to put some columns like EMP number, what type of value it is going to take, integer, so we use int. Then ename. For ename here I write char and give some size. Then I use ecell. For ecell I use float. Then E department number. All of you remember we use these columns, and then this table is created. If you want to see the structure of this table, then what to do in that case? In that case we have to use describe command, DESCEMP, and execute it. Here you'll get the result. This is the result. We have 4 columns and these are the data types: int, char, float, int, and so on. Then we have to learn how to input values inside a table which is already created. To input the values we have to use insert command. Insert into EMP values. Here first column is EMP number, so the value is 101. Second column is ename, let it be RF. Then the next one is ecell, let it be 50,000 or any value of your choice. Then E department number, let it be 10. Now I'm executing it. It is showing success. Then if you want to input more values, then again and again you have to use insert command. So for inputting purpose, I'm copying it and pasting it, and I'm changing the values here. So let it be 102, let it be Arnav or any other name. Salary is 40,000 and I'm giving same department number. It be 10, and then I'm executing it. Then I'm inputting more records in it. 103, any name, let it be Deepika. Salary is 60,000 and department number is 20. Then one more column, one more record, let it be 104. Gautam, 70,000, department number 20. That's it. So we in this table we have inputted 4 records. Then select command, or if you want to show the structure of this table, then we have to use describe command. But if you want to see the values also of the EMP table, then for that we have to use select command. Select star from EMP in this way. You can easily see the result here. This is the result. It is showing in the form of table 101 Arav, salary is 50,000, department number is 10, then 102, 103 and 104. Then we'll do some queries which belongs to conditions. So for example, if we have to display records of those employees whose salary is greater than 50,000, for that purpose we have to use select star from EMP where ecell greater than 50,000. It's very easy. Now press enter. So you'll get only records of those employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. So you have to scroll it down to see the result. Yes, it is showing 4 records. Deepika, it is showing 3 records. Gautam, Deepika. Or only 3 records because Deepika's and Gautam's salary is more than 50,000. So only 2 record we will get. Deepika's and Gautam's record. Then next query. Now if we have to display records of those employees who belongs to department number 10. For that we have to use select star from EMP where E department number equals to 10. Now execute it. For this also we have to scroll down to see the result. There are 2 records in it, Arab's records and Arnav's records. So the salary 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Then if we have to display only the E names of all the employees, then select E name from EMP and execute it. Now some error in this code because in place of this we have to put semicolon. Again I am executing it. So here we have to scroll it down to see the result. Here are the names. They are Arav, Arnav, Deepika and Gautam. Now if we have to show total salary of all the employees, then select sum E cell from EMP. Execute it. Scroll it down to see the result. It is 2,20,000. So sum E salary is a group function which tells what is the total salary. Then if we have to display maximum salary, then for that we have to use max E cell from EMP. Scroll it down. The maximum salary is 70,000. Now if we have to apply group functions along with group by, then if we have to display total salary of every department separately, then for that what we have to do? We have to write select sum E cell from EMP, then group by. Group by what? Group by E department number. DEPTNO. Now execute it. Now see the result. You get here 1,30,000, which is total salary of every department. It is showing 1,30,000. So the first record is 90,000. The first value is 90,000. See this value. This value is sum of salaries of those employees who belongs to department number 10, and 1,30,000 is sum of salaries of department number 20 employees. If you want to show department numbers also along with the total salary, then for that select E department number, comma sum E cell from EMP, group by E department number, like this. Execute it. Now along with total salary you will find department numbers also. See, department number 10 salary is 90,000. Department number 20 salary is 1,30,000. Now we will use condition with the group function. Suppose we have to show total salary, maximum salary and minimum salary of every department. Then we have to use select sum e salary, comma max e salary, comma min e salary from EMP, and we will get the result. But if we want to display total salary, maximum salary and minimum salary of only of those departments whose minimum salary is greater than 50,000. For that we have to use condition. How? Select, we'll write department numbers also, so that we'll get the result in the form of department numbers also. E department number, sum e cell, comma max e cell, comma min e cell. We'll remove this a from here. E cell, here also min e cell from EMP. Then group by E department number. Now for conditional part, all of you know, instead of where, here we have to use having, because in the condition in this query we have to use group function. So we have to write here having what? We have to use here having min e cell greater than 50,000. To use greater than symbol, greater than 50,000, and press and execute it. Success. Now we'll see the result here. Here it shows records of only one department, that is department number 20, because in department number 10 there is an employee whose salary is 50,000. So here their minimum salary is not greater than 50,000. But here in the second department, that is department number 20, the minimum salary is 60,000. So it comes in this condition, it shows the result. Then if we have to make alteration in the table, if we have to make changes in the table in terms of addition of new column, deletion of the already existing column, or modifying the size of the column, then we have to use alter command. For example, alter table EMP. Suppose if you want to add a new column named address of string data type, then we have to use alter table EMP add address and the data type, and now execute. Here we get the success. And if we want to remove the column e department number from this table, then how to write that query? Alter table EMP drop, the name of the column is e department number. We want to drop it. Now simply execute it. Here you'll get a message after the successful compilation, success. Then if you want to change the size of, column name from already existing 20 to new size 15, then how to write? Alter table EMP. There is a keyword modify. E name char, give size, let it be 15. Execute it. And now if you have to show the result of alter command, then we have to write describe EMP. Execute. Now scroll it down to see the result. Here you will get EMP number is okay. E name, now size is 15 instead of 20. E department number is removed from the table and a new column is added, address. Data type is char and size is 20. Now we'll do update command. Update command is related with DML section of MySQL. Update command is different from alter command. In update command, we are able to make modification in the values. So if we want to add something or decrease something from the existing value, then we have to use update. For example, if we want to add 5,000 rupees to the salaries of those employees who belongs to department number 10, then how to write? Update emp set e cell equals to whatever be the e cell, we have to add 5,000 to it. Then the condition where department number is not there. Suppose we have to add salaries to those employees, in the salaries of those employees whose salary is less than 50,000 or whose salary is 50,000, where e cell is less than, let it be 60,000. Success. Now we'll see the result of it. How? Select star from emp. Now execute it to see the result. Here we'll get, scroll down, we will get the result here. This is the result. Gautam's salary was 60,000. Now his new salary is 70,000. Why? Because it was less than 60,000. It was 50,000 earlier, I think. So no, it is added in that, I think. 5,000 is added in Arav salaries, in Arnav salaries, in Deepika's salaries also, and in Gautam's salaries also. They are added. Then, if suppose we have to remove a complete record, suppose we want to remove record of Arav from this table, then how to write? Delete from emp, where e name equals to Arav, put a semicolon and execute it. Now check the result. Select star from emp. Now execute it. Now just notice the result. Scroll it down. You will get all the records except Arav. There is no Arav's record because his record is deleted from this. Then we discuss drop command also. You know what is the purpose of drop command? Drop command is used to remove the table from the computer. How to remove? How to write? Drop table emp. Execute it. Get a success. Now we'll see whether it is deleted or not, dropped or not. Describe emp. It shows you error message. There is no table here. There is no table. Everything is cleaned. So till now we discussed DDL and DML commands. In the next class we are going to discuss order by, distinct and few more queries of MySQL. Till then, take care. Bye.